Okay, this is the second video in the Python videos that we're making. I've set up 4 print statements here. All 4 of them are slightly different, and we're talking about strings. So the first string I've got is the word Peter. Anything inside the inverted commas, that's a string. So it could be numbers, characters, it could be anything. As long as it's inside the inverted commas, that's a string. So there's our first string. It's the word Peter inside double inverted commas. If I print it, that'll work perfectly. Now, what happens if I need to use the double inverted commas inside the string itself? In this example, Peter said hello. So if he wants to say the word hello and you want to print those inverted commas on the inside, you have to use a single inverted comma on either side of the outside. And if you do that, that statement will print perfectly. Now, what happens if I want to use the single inverted comma on the inside? So an apostrophe, we do it this way. We would write double inverted commas here, Peter apostrophes hat, close inverted commas, so that statement will work perfectly as well. Now, what happens if I want to use an apostrophe and double inverted commas in the one sentence? Then we've got one more alternative, and we see this one down the bottom here. We do print, single inverted comma, Peter said, double inverted commas, that's, and then we put this different backslash in there. Then the apostrophe, then the S, my hat, close the talking marks, and then we close that. So that'll work. We'll be able to use all those characters. If you have it come up with an error, this backslash before whichever character it is, that will always work. That will tell Python there is going to be a special character coming up and it's not the end of the string. So that's something that you can do. If we run this file now and go run module, it should say Peter said hello, Peter's hat, that's my hat.